Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale, here to share the December Double Shot Kit. Our Double Shot Kit includes 2 brand new collections with cardstock, pattern paper, and embellishment. It also gives you access to a free exclusive cut file. These are designed exclusively for you from Cut to You. And this month is this great little tree that could be backed, and it has the title Treat Every Day Like Christmas. So it's perfect for our 2 collections. So this month we are featuring 49th and Market, Evergreen Season, and Fancy Pants, a North Pole Express. Both of these have a vintage feel to them, and I think they'll be perfect to even mix in together. So I think that's awesome. If you'd like more collections, be sure to check out our flavors of the month. We have a card kit, we have the Shots of Life. I'll have reveal videos for those at the end of this one, so be sure to click on those and check those out. So right now, let's dig in and take a closer look at both of these collections and everything you're going to get in this month's kit. The first collection we're going to look at is Evergreen Season from 49th and Market. And you're going to start with 1 sheet of evergreen cardstock and 2 sheets of pomegranate splash. For your pattern paper, we have this one here, Rejoice in the Season, which is a gorgeous background in white with this beautiful greenery in the sleigh. The back is a Christmas print. I love that in the red. This one's called Festive Traditions, and it's just little newsprints along with the vintage little girl and Santa and the florals. The back is a tree repeating pattern on the green. These do have full branding strips, so this one has the stitching and this one has the red stitching from that. This paper is Ceremonious Poinsettias, and this is a gorgeous background. I love this little lace doily in the back and all of the Christmas foliage. The back is a green plaid and then a music branding strip. So one more look at your patterned paper. For your embellishments, you're going to get one of the laser cuts. So all of the embellishments will vary, but this is the one I got that's florals. And then you're going to get some of the ephemera pieces. And again, these will vary, but these are really heavy cardstock weight ephemera. I love the little Santa and the pockets. So that is Evergreen Season from 49th and Market. Our next collection is from Fancy Pants, and this is the North Pole Express. So if you've done a Christmas train or just even watching the Polar Express or anything like that, I think this would be perfect for that type of photo and project. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of Fig Swirl and 1 sheet of Aqua. Your patterned paper is this one that has all of the train tickets and memorabilia, photos of the trains, and then the back is a mistletoe print. That paper is called Railroad Mistletoe. And we have this plaid here. The back has pieces, just vintage kind of icons. But these would be great if you want to cut them up for some embellishments or just use it as a background. I think that would be great. So that's called Santa's Desk. And then we have this one, another one great that's for a background because it already has the distressing on the side and the floral print over here. The back is a holly print on the pink, and that paper is called Holly Berries. So some really fun patterns in this collection. For your embellishments, you're going to get a wide variety, but they're all going to vary among the kits. So you're going to get one of the sticker sheets. So this is the one I got. You're going to get some of the foam stickers, some of the ephemera pieces, and some of the enamel dots. So again, all of those will vary, but you're going to have a lot to play with, so that's a lot of fun. One more look at your Double Shot Kit. Be sure to check out these reveal videos for all the other kits we have available. Check out the store. We have lots of individual items as well that you can include with your kit with no extra shipping. We want to thank you so much for creating with us this year and being a part of our family. So thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.